How to buy LadyLuck token. So this token came under the symbol of lucky. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check the amount in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token it will be listed or it's available on MEXC. Now first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account in Sanity. Now first of all, in the search bar type lucky like that, the token name, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see here, now here you can see the amount that you want to buy like that, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the GC to your account. Now click on buy lucky. In a few seconds this token which will be added to your account. So this is how to buy lucky token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.